Alright guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a business, a service business of your own and potentially grow that thing over the next few months and make it into, well, who knows, it could be hundreds of thousands of dollars over a short period of time. Alright, and you should be able to start out and be able to make $100 to $200 per day, even in a shorter amount of time than that. So if this sounds good to you, it's a really good service business, then you want to stick around and watch this whole video, because we're going to get started on it here right now, and I'm anxious to show it to you. But first, for those of you that are new to my video, and this is your first time to my videos or my channel, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel, which you see right here. And if this is your first time here, reach down below your video right now so you don't miss out. Click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm anxious to show this to you. It's a really good little service business that you can get started with today and begin to build this thing up over the next few weeks or even a month, and this thing could take off and make you much money. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is come over here to my favorite website, guys, right here. It's called Fiverr. See it right up here in the address bar. It's Fiverr.com. This is one of my favorite websites. I've used this site quite a bit in the past, and it's really good. I like it a lot, and you'll notice that what I've typed into their search engine right here, guys, it says document translate. You see it brought it up right here like that. Yep, today you're gonna set up a business in document translation. And guys, don't worry about it. This thing is 100% free to do. Can be done from anywhere in the world as long as you can access Fiverr. Well, there's other sites I'm going to show you too here a little bit later how to exponentially grow this business even bigger and bigger over the next few months for yourself. All right. So we're going to be doing a service in document translation, which is a pretty well in need thing. As you'll see here, these other people that came up here, and there's only 2,000 people that are doing this service worldwide right now here on Fiverr. So it's pretty needed, and it's a low amount of competition in this, as you can see. All right, so you can see that there's all kinds of people. This person right here, I will translate your document from Danish to English or vice versa. And I will translate from Spanish to English. You guys, you can set up your gig. That's what you're going to do. First thing you're going to do is come here and join. If you don't have an account here with Fiverr, it's free to create one. Just click on join, and when you do that, it'll bring it up here, and you can join with your Facebook account, with your Google account, and with your Apple ID account, or create a local account. If you create a local account here, they are going to send you an email confirmation. So like I always tell you guys, make sure you get that confirmed. Okay, come back, get logged in. When you get logged in, you'll eventually click right here where it says become a seller. Alrighty, now stick around, because here a little bit later I'm going to show you how you can not only market this for free, I'm going to show you how you can also double and triple your chance to make even more and more money with this in the long run. Okay, so stick around. Now, what you want to do is, you can see a lot of people here that are selling the translation service, and look at the prices. Here's $25 to do one, $10, $5, $20, and as we come down, $10, $5, $10, $100 right here, guys. And you can see here 120, 10, 25, 5, and so on and so forth. So what you want to do is you want to take one of these gigs that's pretty popular, somebody that's got, like right here, this person's got 141 reviews with 5.0 star rating. So that looks like a pretty good one. We'll just click on that one. And what you want to do is you want to model your gig that you set up. Because what you're going to do is you're going to click on become a seller right here, guys. And what it's going to do is take you over here, and you can click on become a seller, and it's going to walk you through about 6 pages to set up your gig, just like what you see with this one right here, for example. You can use any one you want to model yours after. You do not want to copy someone else's exactly word verbatim, right? So you just want to choose one to model. So look how they've got theirs set up. It tells a little bit about the gig and so on and so forth. And then it come down, it tells a little bit about yourself, about the seller. And then you can compare the packages. He's got packages here, the basic standard package here for 10, and the premium package for 15 here. All right, and you can see you can set yours. I'd start my basic out at 15. I think that's a good average price. If you look down and you see how all the prices of what everybody else is selling this service for, then you can see it looks like about $15 to start at right here, like this one would be a good one to go with. So start it at 15 and have your standard at about 20 or 25, and then a premium at about $35 or $40, something along that line. You don't want to price yourself too high, and you don't want to price yourself too low. You want to be competitive, be right in there in the middle of everything. So have a good average price there. And then set up your packages here, tell them what you're going to offer for the money, and so on and so forth down through here, just like you see these other ones here. And then what you want to do, you can also have frequently asked questions if you want to in here as well. As you come down through here, you definitely want to make sure that you get the related tags. You want to have related tags that has to do something with translation. Now this guy right here has got privacy policy, terms of service, and all that. I believe I would put something about translation in here for my tags, and you're allowed about 5 tags, okay? And the reason you want to do the tags is because it helps get your Fiverr gig ranked up into the Google search engine, right? So you want to do that, plus it will also help rank it up in Fiverr. Now, the nice thing about Fiverr is I've had people say, well, Kevin, how do I get going? I mean, how do I get jobs? How do I get people to get to want me to, give me their order? Like this guy here has got one order in his queue already right here. Well, the nice thing about Fiverr is their gigs are on a rotation basis. So as someone loads up the site, yours, let's say your gig may be on the second page, and then your site, when someone loads it up, come into document translation and load it up, yours may probably roll up on the first page in over many times throughout the day, or however often people are searching for translation jobs, right? So don't have to worry about that, but I'm going to show you how a place where you can market your service and also how to double and triple, like I told you. Stick around, we're going to get to that here in a little bit here. Now, so in other words, let's say now you set your gig up, you've got your gig set up similar to what some of these others are right here, guys, just like this. And then what you want to do is let's just say, for example, first, because I can hear some of you saying, well, Kevin, I don't know how to translate, I don't know any other languages, I don't speak any other languages outside of the language I do. Well, don't worry, I got you covered here. What you're going to do when you get an order, you're going to come over to this site right here, guys. It's called OnlineDocumentTranslator.com. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. OnlineDocTranslator.com. You see it right there? This come over to this site, guys. This is 100% free to use. Hence, that's why you see all the Google ads on here. There's Google ads all over this thing. But it's 100% free to use, and it is very, very accurate. Right now, what we do is we come down here. You can see, it tells you a little bit about it. It's reliable, quick, and hassle-free. Preserves the layout of your original document. And then also you can upload your document, and they'll instantly translate it for you while preserving its layout. Document Translator uses the awesome power of Google Translate to translate your documents, and the translated text is reinserted into your document, preserving the original layout. So, and you can see here all the different languages that are supported here. Guys, it's just every language about it in the world right here. And this thing right here, supported document formats. You got doc.doc. You got over here the XLS, which is the PowerPoint or Excel spreadsheet. And you've got SRT, which is captions and text files and PDF files and so on and so forth that this thing actually supports. Alrighty, so what you can do, for example, let's just say here I made up a quick little, I already created just a little file for this so we can do a test and see how good this works right here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is come here, and I do believe it's in my documents right here. So you can see I wrote a little file here. It's just a little file, text file. I said, let's test the translator. I said, typing some words to see if the translator works like it says. Well, let's do it. Alright, so let's go ahead and close that out, and we're going to click on right here, Translate Now. And it may pop up an ad here or whatever. Sometimes if it does, just ignore it or close that ad out. And then you see right here it says upload the file. So if we click right here to upload, It should open it up, and I'm going to come over here into our documents where that file was at. There it is, translated text. See, I'm going to translate it from English right here, you see, guys, and I'm going to choose over here. Let's go with Arabic. That's a really hard language. So I'm going to click on, you can see right here, all of them, and I'm going to choose Arabic right here. And then it's just a matter of clicking on translate right here, guys. So we'll click on that. And it should, it's translating only 19 words, guys, as you see here. So if we scroll up, it should give us our link. Yeah, it does right here. It says right here, download your translated document. So if I click on that, that should allow it to download up here, and it does. So if I click open the file, we should be able to see, and there it is. It is in Arabic right now. And so if I come over here and upload that, I should be able to bring it back up here. Actually, let's bring it back up in English so we can see the difference here real quick. So here it is, guys. You can see it right here in English. You can see it in English, and you can see how it translated it into the Arabic language, and it even kept the same format. Everything is formatted the same. You see there's a gap between let's test the translator right here and our words. So you can see how easy that was, guys. It's just a matter of just that easy. And then what happens is when after that, when you translate it that quick, you just bring that file back over to your person, your customer, and you give that file back to them, and you get paid. It's just that easy. Alrighty, guys. And you can get this thing rolling and be able to make probably $100 to $200, I would say, within a short amount of time if you continue with it. Now, how can you market your service outside of Fiverr? Fiverr has its own built-in traffic, right, guys? If I click on my similar web here, look what comes out. We're on Fiverr. I scroll up here. 60.6 million people come to Fiverr every single month to use this site and use the services on this site. All right. So you have built-in marketing right here on the site, but how can you do it yourself? Well, one good thing is I come over here to Facebook.com here, guys. And you see I'm logged into my account right here. I clicked on groups right here. And over here in the search engine, I typed in document translation. You see that? Or translating. And you see right here that it's brought up all kinds of, as you can see right here, guys, it brought up all kinds of groups right here. Document translating groups here. And you can see right here, translation and interpreting international group, translation and services, transcription, translation interpretation services, all kinds of document translation services. And these groups have thousands of members in them, guys. And you can certainly come here and you can advertise your service off of Fiverr, your translation service, right here in your Facebook groups right here, in all these different translation groups right here. I mean, there's just a bunch of them. It keeps on going and going and going here, guys. And these all have thousands of members in them. And you can certainly do that right here. Now, that's one way. Then how about, you could do it on Instagram, you could do it on Pinterest. Set up a Pinterest pin that advertises your translation service from Fiverr. And you could also do it in LinkedIn, you can do it in Reddit. All right, how about here? Here's another way I'm going to show you. I told you, I'm going to show you how you can make even more. How about you could come over here to people per hour. Look up here in the address bar, guys. It's peopleperhour.com. And you can set the same service up right here on People Per Hour. Look right here where my mouse is. Writing and translation. You can set your same service. All of this is free to do. Set up your service here on People Per Hour. This site gets, let's see what the traffic is on this site per month. 2.1 million people come here to People Per Hour looking for these services every single month, guys. How about on this site right here? Upwork.com. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's Upwork.com. This is another freelancing site that you can come here and you can see right here that they have writing and translation service right here. You can set up your service also on this site for free, and now you have the opportunity to double and triple and maybe even quadruple the ability to make lots and lots of money with your translation service that you started with on Fiverr. Guys, of course, this is over time. You're going to build this up. This thing, you can do all these things and build it up over the next few months and get this thing rolling to the point where you can make, well, unlimited amount of money for yourself in your own translation business using the online.translator.com as your place to do this with, and you just give it back to your customer after you translate it for them. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's the method I had for you today. It's a really good service business that you can get started with today and begin to set yourself up a nice overtime, a nice business where you can create a really large income for yourself. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's the video I had for you today. If you like this method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell down there below. And if you have any comments or questions about this particular video, reach down there in the comment section below and leave them there, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, go ahead and comment and tell me where you watched this video from. What country are you in? Alrighty. Also, if you want to see a free video presentation that I have, it'll show you how to learn how to do the formula for high-ticket affiliate marketing. You want to reach down there below at the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and click on that and come over and come through my funnel and watch a free presentation that'll show you how the formula for high-ticket affiliate marketing. Alrighty? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.